Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chevy key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, which will help prevent losing small parts during the process. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation on the side of your key fob casing. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.